We're here over at a customer that just bought some of the Apex panel. You're one of the, I don't know if you know this, but you're one of the first customers that's actually used this panel.
My wife and I had pretty much decided we were going with metal.
Right.
And I already know that Best Buy Metals has the quality we were looking for, has the longevity. We were looking at the Tough Rib originally.
Right, okay.
And he asked us to hang on just a minute. He had a sample in his truck. He had just picked it up from you guys. He said he had not installed any of it yet. He said, I have something you might like. Because originally we considered going with the commercial style with no screws exposed. And he said, this will be a better price and still have the similar look you're looking for, but he said, it's very unique. Let me run to the truck. Very pleased with the outcome.
Well, that's exactly what we designed this panel for. It's a low-cost panel that's similar, very similar in look to Stang Seam and has that nice, clean look that people are looking for. Same 50-year warranty and everything like that, but it's just a lot lower cost. So a lot of people like it.
Sure.